The PS5 is capable of stunning 4K gaming at 120 frames per second with HDR, but only if your TV can actually deliver it. In 2026, the best gaming TVs support every feature the PS5 outputs and make your games look genuinely breathtaking. I tested 5 of the best across OLED and premium mini LED, so your console finally gets the display it deserves. Let's get into it. New to TechBee? We cover the tech that actually matters. Honest reviews, real comparisons, no sponsored fluff. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss a video. We drop fresh content every single week and you'll want to be here for the next one. The Samsung 65-inch OLED DS95F is the flagship gaming TV that delivers genuinely reference-level performance for PS5 owners who want the absolute best. The QD-OLED LED panel technology combines OLED's perfect blacks and infinite contrast with quantum dot color enhancement, producing exceptionally bright, vibrant, and accurate HDR that makes PS5 games look genuinely stunning. The high 144Hz refresh rate fully supports the PS5's 120 frames per second output, with headroom to spare. And OLED's near-instant response time eliminates motion blur during fast-paced competitive gaming. Full HDMI 2.1 support with VRR and ALLM handles every PS5 gaming feature flawlessly, eliminating screen tearing and automatically switching to low-latency game mode. Samsung's Gaming Hub provides direct access to cloud gaming services, and the dedicated game bar lets you monitor and adjust settings on the fly. The anti-glare coating handles these bright rooms exceptionally well, a genuine Samsung strength. For PS5 owners who want the brightest, most vibrant, most feature-complete OLED gaming experience available, the Samsung S95F is the most premium, most reference-grade pick on this entire list. The Samsung S95F delivers reference-level OLED gaming that transforms your PS5. And the price in the description reflects that genuine flagship quality. Check the link below and grab it today. The absolute best your PS5 can look. The LG C6 OLED is the perennial gaming favorite, and LG's C series continues to be the TV most gaming enthusiasts recommend for its genuinely ideal balance of premium performance and value. The latest generation OLED panel delivers perfect blacks, infinite contrast, and rich, accurate colors that make PS5 HDR content genuinely immersive. LG has long led on gaming features, and the C6 supports the full suite. 4K at 120Hz, VRR, ALLM, and NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync compatibility across 4 full HDMI 2.1 ports, meaning every device you own gets full gaming support, not just one. OLED's near-instant response time and exceptionally low input lag make it a genuine competitive gaming advantage. The LG Game Optimizer menu puts every gaming setting in one convenient place. The WebOS smart platform is fast and comprehensive for PS5 owners who want the most well-rounded, most gaming-optimized OLED with the best port selection and genuine value. The LG C6 is the most universally recommended pick on this entire list. The LG C6 OLED is the gaming TV enthusiasts recommend above all others, and the price in the description makes that premium experience genuinely attainable. Check the link below and grab it today. The gamer's favorite OLED, full stop. The LG B5 OLED is the value OLED pick that brings LG's genuine OLED gaming quality to a more accessible price than the flagship C series. The B series delivers the same fundamental OLED advantages: perfect blacks, infinite contrast, and excellent color that make gaming and HDR content genuinely stunning, at a price that makes OLED accessible to more PS5 owners. Gaming feature support covers the essentials PS5 owners need, including 4K 120Hz, VRR, and ALLM across HDMI 2.1 ports, ensuring smooth, tear-free, low-latency gaming. OLED's near-instant response time keeps fast-paced games sharp and responsive. While the B5 uses a slightly less powerful processor than the flagship C series, the real-world difference in gaming is minimal, making it a genuinely smart way to get OLED gaming quality without the flagship premium. The LG Game Optimizer and WebOS smart platform carryover. For PS5 owners who want genuine OLED gaming quality at the most accessible OLED price point, the LG B5 is the smartest OLED value pick on this entire list. The LG B5 OLED delivers genuine OLED gaming quality at the most accessible OLED price, and the deal in the description makes it an easy value pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Real OLED gaming, smarter price. The TCL QM7K is the premium, mini LED powerhouse for PS5 owners who want exceptional brightness and HDR impact, especially in bright rooms where OLED's perfect blacks matter less. The advanced mini LED backlighting with a high number of local dimming zones delivers dramatically better contrast and dramatically higher peak brightness than standard LED TVS, making HDR highlights genuinely pop with an intensity OLED can't always match in bright environments. The QD Mini LED panel produces vibrant, saturated colors across a wide gamut. Full gaming feature support covers 4K at 144Hz, VRR, and ALLM across HDMI 2.1 ports, handling every PS5 gaming feature with headroom. TCL's Game Master Mode optimizes settings automatically and reduces input lag to competitive levels. The high brightness makes this a genuine standout for well-lit living rooms and daytime gaming where OLED can look washed out. For PS5 owners who want maximum brightness, excellent HDR impact, and premium mini LED performance, especially in bright rooms, the TCL QM7K is the most brightness-focused, most bright room-friendly pick on this entire list. The TCL QM7K delivers stunning brightness and HDR impact that shines in any room. And the price in the description makes that premium mini LED accessible. Check the link below and grab it today. Bright, vibrant, brilliant in any lighting. Closing out the list with the TCL QM6K, the genuine value champion that delivers complete PS5 gaming feature support, an impressive mini LED performance at a price that makes upgrading genuinely realistic for more gamers. The mini LED backlighting with local dimming delivers strong contrast, deep blacks, and impressive brightness well above standard LED TVS, making PS5 HDR content genuinely impactful without OLED or flagship mini LED pricing. Full gaming feature support covers 4K at 120Hz, VRR, and ALLM across HDMI 2.1 ports, ensuring smooth, tear-free, low-latency gaming with every current PS5 feature supported. TCL's Game Master Mode optimizes gaming settings and keeps input lag competitive for the price tier. The QD color technology produces vibrant, well-saturated game visuals, and the brightness handles moderate to bright rooms comfortably. The generous screen size options deliver genuine immersion. For budget-conscious PS5 owners who want complete next-gen gaming, feature support, and genuine mini LED quality without spending flagship money, the TCL QM6K is the smartest, most accessible value pick on this entire list. The TCL QM6K gives your PS5 every gaming feature it needs at a genuinely accessible price. And the deal in the description makes upgrading easy. Check the link below and grab it today. Full PS5 features, budget-friendly price. Almost done. If this breakdown just helped you find the right TV to unlock your PS5's full potential, do us one favor, someone hit that subscribe button. It takes 1 second and keeps us making honest content like this every week. We appreciate every one of you watching. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing, because TV deals move fast. If this helped you find the right PS5 gaming TV, smash that like button and subscribe to TechBee for honest tech reviews every week. See you in the next one.